Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get 5,000 coins using Cempasuchil token in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So, before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. And let's get started by tap the store button. And as you can see, there are 5 options here. Tap the live events, and the first one, Dia de Muertos. This one, spend them all. Purchase limit 600, so you can purchase until 600 times. Tap. This is a spend them all, so you will get a guarantee reward 5,000 coin that can be used to get player in the market, and you have to use this one a Cempasuchil to get 500 coin. Tap to continue, and you can add as many as you can, and one Cempasuchil equal with 5,000 coin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, as well. Click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.